like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with my Fabfitfun Summer 2025 box. Here we go. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it's a lifestyle box, and you can get anything from household to health to clothing, jewelry, you name it, beauty, anything. And I've gotten this for years now. I've gotten it for a couple of years before I had my channel, so I've probably gotten, I've probably been getting it for 5 years or more. But look, you open up and there's your summer. And it's our 50th box. That's what it says. And then it says, feeling lucky, scan here and enter to win. Of course, I won't win, I never do. But that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay. Now this and this, where's the other thing? This, where's the other thing? Oh, it's under here. Okay. I'll do my add-ons first, because I did do add-ons. Okay, this is my extra item for one. And this is the Siren Silk Bio-retinol Hydration Cream. And this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It does feel totally different than the one I got in there. The one I got in there is gray, and it's not the same, but it's a hydration thing. Then I got these because I'm determined someday I am going to wear headbands. Now these kind of used to be able to wear, but you had to put them around your neck, and these you don't have to. So I used to be able to wear this, so I'm thinking maybe. And then this is Dr. Branch Pore Purifying Cleanser, which is the same thing as their Pores No More. That's just what they changed it to. And they rebrand, yeah, it does say Dr. Branch. This is Wow Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish Anti-Frizz. And that looks like that. I don't know what categories these were in, because I'm not I have a link below where you can get like $20 off your first box, and they give me so much, but that's all I get from them. I buy everything else myself. Let's just, that's what it looks like. It goes in your hair, but I don't see no glitter. Do you see any glitter? Of course, I don't have my lights on either, but I don't see no glitter in that. Because it says, high gloss finish, pop and lock, frizz control, and UV protectant. That's what it looks like. So, I got this and the other stuff coming in another box. So, and this is our spare change. What is it? What is it? It's jewelry of some sort. It's jewelry of some sort. Now, I will tell you, when you get jewelry, be careful. Because one time I called them, and then I went back in. And now these are gold plated, which are not my favorite thing. Because if the plating comes off, usually it's like copper or bronze underneath. And they really look bad. Now they say if you use purple clear nail polish over them, it won't do that. So I'm going to try it, but yeah, I'm not one for, but these were made for Fabfitfun. So I'm going to try that before I wear them. And let's just see what happens. Maybe it does work. Who knows? But I've always been a silver girl. But honestly, there was nothing else in that category I wanted. Okay, and here is Glow Recipe. What is Glow Recipe? Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't usually cleanse with balms. Oh, I thought, where it pulls up the bottom? I thought, are you kidding me? That's all it's, and then I looked at the bottom. Nope. It says, we're committed to respecting your skin and the environment's sustainability is part of our mission. We are constantly working to be more eco-conscious. Well, and that's what it looks like. Smells like papaya. And then your skin kind of melts it down. I ain't doing that because I got makeup on, stupid. Well, I didn't bring my drink in here either, so oops, I forgot to put my little thing back on. They tell you if they come with these, that you use these because they keep it from drying out. So we will do that. And here is our Start Therapy in 3 Easy Steps. 25% off your first month of online therapy. Oh, honey, you really don't want me to put nobody through that. Oh, honey. And here's your 10 free meals from HelloFresh. Here's some more jewelry. Oh, and look, here's some Glad. Get the most out of your finds. Spread a little sunshine. Give your friends and family free starter box filled with 2 to 3 full-size premium products, and they'll just pay shipping. Scratch bag lightly with coin to reveal if you've won one of thousands of prizes. We know the answer. We don't have to do that. We know the answer, but we'll do it off screen because we know I'm a loser. If I ever win anything, you guys are going to hear me wherever you're located screaming on top of my lungs because I don't usually win much. It's okay. I did win $1,000 one time, right in December. And I was just crying the night before. I didn't know how I was going to get the kids Christmas. And of course, the F word came out of my mouth. And they gave me my money and told me, now you can leave for saying the F word. So I got up and was going to leave. And they said, we're kidding you, Deb. We're kidding you. Because it was at the Eagles. You're not supposed to use the F word in the Eagles. We all do when Cynthia's not there. I knew the one girl that told me not to. She don't work there no more. Well, I go by the book. And I was like, well, go buy this. And this is the Anklet. And it's really shaped well. And it does have extenders on it. So it should fit anybody's ankle. Yeah, it should fit anybody's ankle. So, we'll see. My feet have been swelling up for 2 days. My feet and my hands. I'm not drinking enough. I'm trying to, but I'm just not. So there's that. And this is like a little suede pouch. So there's that. Which I was kind of excited about that. And this is Kosas Super Creamy Brightening Concealer. This is Kosas Revealer. And I got it in 4, which seems to be a pretty good match. We'll see. There we go. There we go. And this is what she looks like. This is what she looks like. And then we'll just right here on these little track marks that I always use because I hate that I have. what are you going to do? You can't do anything about it. It's from being in the hospital too many times and blowing too many veins. But yeah, it covered it up. Let's see if it's a lighter tone in my face. See? And there you go. I really wanted to go a shade lighter so I could use it on my under eyes. You know. But that's okay. That's okay. And then we got the Mumu, Show Me Your Mumu beach bag. Let's open it. See, I always end up getting the bags. I don't know why. I got 1,000,001 of them. But I always end up getting the bags. And I think I do it because you can always give them away as gifts. You can always... And here's how wide the bottom is. So, makes for a great beach bag. This part comes out so you can hand wash that part. You know, just dab it or get the sand out or whatever. So, and I do like them better when they got the zipper. I don't need my shit running all over the beach. Because if it's going to run all over the beach, it's going to run all over the beach. It'll be me. It will happen. My hair looks terrible today. But anyway, I dyed it for another video. So I went a little darker. Because they were all a little darker. I'm doing a hairpiece one. And they were all a little darker. So, see, so it's pretty dark, but I wanted all these grays gone before I tried to pull it back and put on hair pieces. So anyway, that, my dear, is my Fabfitfun. Didn't mean to smack you around like that. You know what I say. Oh, people need love too. Hey, subscribe. Do all the YouTube stuff. Come on, man. I'm gaining fast. Come on. If you haven't subscribed, why not? It costs you nothing and it helps me. Come on back. Bye.